From Siri to Alexa and Bixby, several AI-powered assistants have improved our quality of life by helping us do mundane tasks like scheduling a meeting, adding a song to our playlist, and creating to-do lists. While those capabilities are pretty cool, Google did something really special with this soon-to-be-released AI assistant. Believe me, this new product is closer to a real-life PA than AI technology has ever taken us. Meet SGE, a virtual assistant that can give advice, suggest ideas, and help you plan your new project. In this video, we take a deep dive into the new Google feature. Let's go. SGE means Smart Google Expert. At its heart, SGE is the combination of two powerful labs, Google Deepmind and Google Bard. Within the space of 13 years, Deepmind has developed some interesting neural networks that closely mimic the human intellect. The Google subsidiary first got everyone's attention when they developed robust programs like AlphaGo, AlphaZero, and DeepDash, which learns to play video games even better than humans. These AI models can play a wide variety of games at an expert level, such as shogi, chess, and more recently, strategy Go. The research company did wonders for the medical field with AlphaFold, a Turing machine that can predict virtually every protein structure known to man. They also rolled out a visual language model, or VLM, which can describe everything going on in a picture. I could continue, but you get the point. Deepmind is a serious innovator in the AI field. On the other hand, Bard is more or less like Google's version of GPT, a text-generating AI tool that can answer questions, give writing assistance, and do creative tasks like writing poems and even telling jokes. These two Google subsidiaries merged to make this dominant virtual assistant. After working together for a while, the Deepmind Bard powered duo's first breakthrough was RT2, a vision language artificial intelligence model. Vision language model is a technical way of saying an artificial intelligence model trained to understand images and texts. RT2 would later become the brains behind Smart Google Expert. It gets its processing power from Deepmind and its conversational skills from Bard. RT2 stands for Robotic Transformer 2 and was actually designed to power Google's AI robot. It accepts inputs from videos, images, and text, and translates them into instructions that result in the actions needed to perform tasks the user demands. It is an augmented version of regular vision language models. While typical VLMs use images, videos, and text for training data, RT2 uses these same types of media files, except that they contain images of robots performing a wide range of tasks. This special type of training data is called robot data. This data is divided into two categories: specific robot training and online training data. Google developed a training dataset by filming 13 robots performing different tasks for 17 months and fed the images to the model. If a user asks for any task included in the vast database, the machine will have no problem carrying it out. The second category consists of images gathered from the web of robots doing random tasks. This training dataset empowers the robot to perform tasks even if they weren't in the specific training. Together, these two datasets allow the robot to perform general tasks and be creative when confronted with new challenges. Another major distinguishing factor for the RT2 model is its output. Instead of generating only text outputs, it generates instructions that control actions. And that's why RT2 is called the Vision Language Action Model. We did an entire video dedicated to Google's RT2 robot, since the same model powers SGE. Watch that video to understand better how the new AI assistant works under the hood. Now, let's see what it can do. SGE is more than your typical virtual assistant, taking questions and offering answers. It is an online assistant that you can count on to give you quality advice. If you find yourself in a position where you're unsure about the next move or the best line of action to take, this assistant will know what to do. Or if you're lacking motivation, SGE has some quotes that will give you the oomph you need to get back to your feet. It can refuse to answer questions it finds unethical. One other thing that makes SGE unique is its sensitivity. Google understands that the quality of answers depends on how well the model grasps the question. That's why this AI is careful about gaining a deeper understanding of your request when necessary, and by doing so, can refine the nature of the results. Although AI Assistant is the umbrella term for this technology, you can also think of SGE as a big bro too. On top of dishing sound advice, the Google Assistant can also help you brainstorm ideas. Its impressive understanding of the human language comes into play here. Whether it's something simple like a book recommendation or help building a new project, SGE has a sense for these things. It can read your unique case and give you ideas according to the specifics of any project. This includes a roadmap or objectives for realizing whatever goals you have in mind. And when I say project, that means anything from a business venture to a fitness plan. And of course, you can expect this assistant to remind you of upcoming deadlines and give you feedback on how well your plan worked so far. In a demonstration provided in the white paper, a user asked Google for advice on which national park will offer the best experience based on a particular family size. In this case, we are all familiar with what a basic search result will look like. Google will pull out a snippet of an article from a blog, followed by links to other websites with similar information. However, as we can see from the results here, a detailed answer is generated for the user. It informs the user about the features available to each park and mentions the ones common to both. At the bottom of the result, we see an option for the user to add a follow-up question. SGE is also an excellent coach. If you're trying to learn a new skill or language, this AI software has a sound tutoring approach that will help you pick up new concepts quickly. It provides a streamlined learning curriculum, gives you quizzes to test your skills, and allows you to track your progress. While several resources are online for learning new skills, SGE is different because it is more personalized. The AI algorithm allows it to predict which learning approach is best suited for you. Another sweet feature of this online personal assistant is its short-term memory. Its ability to recall old conversations makes it seem more like a friend than a computer software. You should know that Google didn't achieve SGE alone. They had the help of Scale, a startup that helps generative AI companies label and fetch data for training their models. Smart Google Expert improves the experience of using the internet's preferred search engine. Instead of flipping through multiple web pages, you can find all the answers you want much more easily. This AI assistant is set to be out soon. Google is compiling leads of users in the US who would like to be the first to try it out before it officially launches. Check the description for the link. For more stories about AI-powered tools, follow the AI Wave.